What's up YouTubers, Roadrunner here with day 2 of my bike customization. Last time I showed you the windshield that I wanted to replace by an aftermarket part. I didn't have time to finish. Now I will finish it. So let's show you how it's going to look like when it's finished. If everything goes as planned, you only need this, a screwdriver with a Phillips bit, and you have only 6 screws to remove and put back. So, as you saw, no difficulty at all compared to the replacement of the sprockets. Just to show you the difference between both. Quite a difference, huh? So I'm gonna take her to a test ride and tell you how it went. Okay, I came back from my test ride and my impressions are not good. I was expecting more. Visually it looks pretty good. I like the visuals. You know, the black transparent aspect, it looks really good. Functionally it doesn't work as I expected. I mean, the objective of this new windshield was to remove the wind from my face. I feel that the pressure of the wind is reduced. I rode, or the fastest that I went was between 70 and 90 kilometers per hour. But the noise it does, it's much louder than before. In terms of frequency, I think it's a lower frequency than before. More bass than treble, but it's much more intense. It's much noisier inside the helmet than before. I don't know why. Maybe there's a turbulence zone above the helmet, and I didn't like it at all. Because before I felt the pressure of the wind, so my head was shaking all the time, especially above I don't know, 90, 100 kilometers per hour. And the difference in sound, intensity, noise intensity, it's amazing. I'm gonna try to contact the vendor or the manufacturer to understand why this happens, but I didn't like it at all. I'm considering putting the original back. I don't know. I will check. I will leave a link on the description of the video for this windshield, and I hope this video helps you decide if you want it or not. It's very subjective, I think. I don't know. I will try to contact them, and if I have news, I will post it on the commentary section. So if you like the video, leave the thumbs up down below. Leave your comments also, and I'll see you next time.